Hi everyone. I was recording the video and halfway through it crashed and I lost the video, so I have to redo it again. Yeah, ES started really nice. It broke that resistance, broken, back tested. I had removed that resistance because that's no more, that purple resistance I showed. But it's sitting on this green plus blue, or actually, if it wants to come down to the blue very bottom band, yes, that's also possible. But it is sitting on this blue plus green double support anyway, and it's trying to bounce at the moment. So that looks good. By the way, I got a comment about videos being too long. Yes, for it is long. It's sometimes 30, 35 minutes, and you need to pay full attention. But the thing is, it's not for everyone. I mean, not all of it is for everyone. So you can always skip to the next section. And you can also, of course, you should listen to it at 1.5 speed. So that makes things easier. And I think videos are also useful for something that you're not really interested in, but something comes up and it is quite a nice trading idea. For example, like coffee. We bought at 280. You can buy coffee, you can buy ETF or whatever, or some stocks, and it will work because it can open your mind into other fields. So, yeah, long video can't be shorter. I've been doing it for a long time since 2013. Initially, I was putting text on the videos, but now it's putting text on charts. That was too cumbersome. Now I'm just doing the videos. Even this one is quite long, but it's my pleasure to talk about markets all the time. So yes, ES is inside the blue and green. SPX is bouncing off the red plus green. So that is it's a little bit different color coding. I'm going to put this in green, right? And the blue one is this, okay? Just like the ES, same color coding, okay? It's already testing the blue bottom band together with the green. So this needs to go. This needs to start running from here. Dow Jones had reached to the green resistance and then it basically confirmed it as a resistance. And the golden bear flag was broken. It's sitting on this blue broken resistance. Is it going to come down to the green bottom band and bounce? That would be an awesome bull flag trade. And that level is 44,350, somewhere there on the futures data. Okay, and of course, on the long term, we had already broken that blue major resistance, and ultimately we should get to 45,000. Dow Jones Cash reversed at the green, sitting on blue. It cleared the red internal supports, and which is why maybe it will bounce today and then come back down slowly, bounce again, maybe touch that blue plus green plus red, the triple support, and then rally. That would be nice. So the whole correction or the whole consolidation may take all the way to, well, today is Friday, so Monday, right? Sometime, this is 13th. And, well, why is this having 12, 11, 12, 13? That's silly. Yeah, that should be removed. Those days should be removed because it's 12th and 13th and there is no trading. But anyway, it will take another 2 days of sessions to come into this level. But it's of course wishful thinking. We'll see how it plays out. Nasdaq. This is futures data. It may bounce off the golden bottom band to rally. It's still sitting inside the red smaller bull flag. Okay. And yeah, I can also argue that this is kind of a double-decker bull flag or something. No, not really. I mean, it's not the best precision, is it? So, and it could be something like this. Yeah, I think that works. So let me show you. This is the internal, right? If you look at it this way, I'm going to remove that one. Okay. So we put that one as a support. So if you look at it, right? This one there and this one on the top, right? This could be a breakout, but of course, if it gets there, maybe pulls back to the golden bottom band and then rally. That would be also nice. Nasdaq Cash is the same. It is sitting on that green internal support or almost there. The red support and the red bull flag may be broken, but it may even get to that golden bottom band before it rallies. And that golden bottom band would be around 22,600, just over it. Russell is bouncing already at the red bottom band, which is confirming it as a channel. Almost there. Has it touched it? No, but maybe it will come down once again and then touch. I'm still holding the long, and the target is 23.25. The red channel has to hold for it to get to that. But of course, we are also inside this golden, very large uptrend. FTSE is getting closer to that blue top band. It touched 9,000, which has been target after the breaking of the red bull flag, and even backtesting it. That played out really well. And DAX is now pulling back. It would be a nice double support at 24,000 to get to 25,000. Watch that DAX trade at 24,000. I think it will run. This is CAC breakout of the purple. I told you to buy, and I told you to sell here at the red top band, and that's why it is coming down. Not too bad, right? Very, very simple charts, but powerful. Purple bull flag, got to the red top band, pulling back. Of course, it has to break the red top band to go, but we'll see. TLT is slightly green. It still has to break that green top band. It's becoming too repetitive, so I'm going to skip this one quite quickly. 30-year Treasury bond, also very, very big uptrend. It has to break the purple and green. We're not there yet, so we will have to wait and see. Oil, it's inside this blue bear flag. The red bull flag was broken to the downside. We may get a back test, but then after that, if it breaks the blue and then the green three touch support, it will, I think, come down to $61. Right? It is still looking bearish as long as this blue plus red double resistance is holding, right? This one. So I think we will see more downside, maybe fill this gap here at 61. So I'm going to put it on the 2-hourly again. I'm switching it too much, but you get the idea. This is short term. Blue bear flag has to be a break for it to come down to the previous lows and then come down all the way to this gap fill. But of course, this purple broken resistance should be normally holding as support, but this gap is a little bit worrying. So maybe it wants to fill that gap around $61. Brent oil also is inside the bear flag, the golden one, right? If this golden one breaks, right, this golden bear flag breaks, we should see more downside, and there is this large gap there. Contract rollover gap, I believe, but it is a gap. A gap is a gap, I think, and that may get filled. Gold broke out of the green bull flag. I told you that it is going to bounce off this. It will probably bounce. I said probably. Yeah. And then the green top band's break is going to be very bullish, and that's exactly what's happening. And we're going to get to the purple top band and possibly come back down. That purple top band is 34.25. Internal is good. So if we get to the purple top band, I think we'll see a pullback. Gold continuous futures is exactly the same. Green resistance is broken after the bounce of the green bottom band right there. This is a bull flag, but it was also part of this standalone resistance. Perfect breakout. If you're not buying this, I don't know what you should buy. I mean, it is a really lovely. I'm long silver, platinum, and palladium. So I'm not buying gold, but I should have, but it's just I'm loaded with metals and miners and all that. So too much exposure, honestly. Silver finally smashed through that red bull flag, the green resistance, the blue top band. Look at that beauty. Massive breakout. Or new marginal highs, new multi-month highs. And daily chart shows that our target is still 39.50, even maybe 40. Then if it breaks this golden resistance, then target 50. So this is extremely important that we bounced off this green large resistance. And look at that. That's why I don't think we're going to revisit 35 anymore. This is a perfect back test. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, it was worrying while it was doing it, but then finally it was recovered. And we are holding from 36.55 again. So we're long silver again, and it is looking very, very handsome. And maybe this could be, Let's see if it touches the blue, maybe pulls back and then breaks out. Either way, very big breakout. Look at the silver continuous futures. It's even better. The green, so it didn't get to the blue bottom band. It cleared the green resistance, which I showed in yesterday's video, and it didn't even look back. That is spectacular, right? And is it going to get to the red, which is at $40, right? And on the daily chart, yeah, let me show you. That golden internal resistance is actually getting tested right now, right? That one, which already has been tested twice, it is inside that range. Now, I'm talking about the continuous futures, okay? For futures chart, since the break of the purple bull flag, it's been rallying, and we'll see whether that golden resistance, of course, it's that red one as well. We'll see, but it is turning into something really major. Platinum broke out of the wedge and backtested it, so this could get to the green top band and smash it. I thought maybe it will come down to the green and red and then rally, which may still happen, by the way. And that would be another perfect buying opportunity for platinum. You should buy it right there if it gets to that level. I'm already long, but like small position now because it's quarter of the position. We closed 3/4 already. Platinum continuous features off the blue support and off the red support. This is what I showed yesterday. And of course, this golden giant support zone, which was broken. And now, if it breaks the red initially, maybe reverse there and then break out, it's already touching multi-year highs. Look on the futures data, it's already hitting multi-year highs at 1456. Now, weekly chart, as I said many times, that golden resistance is broken and back tested, right? It is looking superb. Now, natural gas, right? Natural gas is bouncing, and it has basically penetrated back into the red bear flag that was broken, and it cleared the blue resistance too. So this looks somehow more bullish, okay, because it penetrated back in. So this looks a little bit more bullish than yesterday, obviously. And it was also this support, I think, that diagonal. So this is a wedge breakout, excuse me. So, and it penetrated back into the red. Well, it looks good, honestly. And do we have to maybe redraw the golden channel? Maybe yes, because then it looks much more precise, doesn't it? Right? The golden bottom band is not tested properly just yet, but it came very close to it at the low of yesterday. So natural gas obviously hasn't broken this down, okay? And if you look at the August contract, it looks good. Of course, if it loads it, come on. Yeah, come on. Right, okay. Right, it's this blue top band that is broken, and I think there is this blue top band still there, and of course this red resistance as well. So I'm a little bit, tongue in the cheek moment for natural gas. I'm not trading much anyway because it is there are lower hanging fruits elsewhere, as simple as that. And copper has to break the blue and red. That reversal was good. That's Trump spike, so it should come down. And on the September contract is the same. That red top band held, and that's why it's now coming down. And palladium finally broke out. We bought at 1200 yesterday. Look at that beauty. This is the breakout. So we were long at 996. We rallied to that level. We closed and then came down. And once it broke, we bought it more or less at the same price. That's what I love. That's what I love, because I think we closed at 1186 or 1185, somewhere there, I think. I can't remember. And then we bought at 1200 because the purple bull flag was broken. I don't care. A few points we missed, but this is really, really strong. And I told you it's going to get to 1250, right? and this here is a giant sideways channel. Now it could start, it may stop here for a while, right? It may cause a pullback. So we may want to close at least half of the position, or maybe it will get to the golden top band and even smash it to the upside. So that remains to be seen. I'm going to remove this one. So this golden internal resistance is getting tested. If it breaks, we get to 1350. So there is that. But everything is moving spectacularly, exactly as I have imagined. I wouldn't want it another way, really, these markets. Blue bottom band and the red, green, this green bull flag, it's off the purple. This is euro, of course. And euro has to break the green top band to start running again. The green top band, 3 touches, bottom band, 2 touches. This needs to break, and it is at 117.25. That's the breakout level. And pound sterling is disappointing because it is now come back down quite a bit below that broken blue resistance. Now the purple bottom band has to really hold for it to keep on running to 140, 142. US dollar, Japanese yen inside the red imperfect channel. If it can be broken, yes, there will be more downside, and we may see a resistance right there through the 2 highs. So, right, this could become a resistance, and if it does, it will come down. DXY forcing this blue resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So it's either has to reverse here and come down, which is ideal for my euro long, clearly. And of course, Aussie long. I'm on long Aussie too, and we need to break this black top band. If it can be broken, then yes, but it could basically suddenly reverse here and come down. So this is a very, very critical level. If it breaks 66.20, then it should run. Kiwi didn't even approach that purple plus golden double resistance, so this could come down really hard. I mean, if US dollar starts running, yes. US dollar CAD aiming for 138.20, that will be a quadruple resistance if and when it gets there, right? If it does that, we may see more downside. Now, let's have a look at aggregates. Coffee is making a big move. We are long from 280. That is a spectacular support touch, right? This blue one, it doesn't get any better than this. The green downtrend is broken, but we still have to break through this red resistance zone and then get to the black top band, maybe pull back, and then a break to the red bull flag. That's the large bull flag. And it has a massive upside, but there is also massive resistance levels. And you can see this one, this green one also is broken, which is super positive, but it has to smash through that purple resistance now, get to red, get to blue, and yeah, there's that. Okay, there is still overhead resistance levels for coffee, but 280 is too good to miss, and we bought it, and I would love to see more upside. We will see if it gets to the blue, maybe pulls back and then breaks out. So it's nice to see the very low 280. Look at that, 280. That is 280. Wheat coming down. Is it gonna break the red, or is it gonna come down all the way to the blue bottom band after breaking the golden? That remains to be seen. I'm gonna switch to the daily. Right, this red channel is still very, very much intact, and it is still running the show. September, it filled this gap, as I said in yesterday's video. This gap is going to get filled, and it may reverse at the blue. That's exactly what's happening. So it may slash through the red and then come down to the purple bottom band, as long as that blue resistance is holding. Soybeans touch the green, bounced a little bit, but if it breaks down, then we come down to, well, all the way to the golden bottom band right there. And of course, if it comes down, bounces, and then breaks down, we should see much more downside by soybeans. And that would be, right, 800 all the way to this level, that green giant bottom band right there. And of course, If it breaks this blue giant support, which is not too far now, right, from the lows of 2002, right, this is low of 20, another touch, another touch, another touch. So if this breaks, then, well, yeah, there's undeniably, if it breaks the golden as well, we come down to 800. No escaping that. And soybeans, purple support was broken and back tested. If it breaks the green, there's going to be more waterfall. And corn, right there, it is pushing that golden support after, this is the downtrend, blue bear flag, golden support break. The second golden support is breaking. That looks very, very bearish. And if you look at the corn, green bottom band is being pushed. The blue bottom band may get completely ignored and it would come down to 375. And yeah, still bearish. Cocoa, I don't know. Maybe bounce, touch the blue, and then come down. This is continuous, of course, and this is the September contract. Again, I don't have a feeling, honestly, like we need to see. I mean, if it gets to the green, comes down, or if it bounces a little bit, comes down, touches the blue and green, we shall buy it. Sugar, getting closer to that golden top band. If it gets there and reverses, then we should see sub 15 once again. And this is also critical in the October contract. Blue top bands hold and then maybe come down once again. Cotton is coming down inside the green downtrend. Let's have a look at massive breakout by Bitcoin. I told you to buy the green bull flags breakout, first of all. That was at what? 107,000. And I mean, if you look at it this way, I told you to buy at the golden bottom band without breaking the blue, okay? Remember that. And actually, I didn't buy, sorry, apologies. I told you to buy it at the golden bull flags breakout. But before that, this was the resistance that was broken, right? This black one, or it's golden now. And I said, this is now a massive breakout, right? And that level was 85,000. It is now at 117,000. Spectacular. That was black back then. And yeah, there is that. Okay. So not too bad for coal. And we have to change it to black as well. Yes, that black resistance was broken. Got to the golden, got to the green bull flag, broken back tested, and even the blue resistance break was a superb signal. So now the purple top band didn't really hold. That's it, right? I don't know where, this is now sky's the limit kind of thing, right? I mean, I even checked this one out. Even this one is breaking, that black resistance from the highs of 2021, right? And quite frankly, the major buy signal was this ARC's breakout, right? When it was at 70,000. If you can remember, the long-term members remember this one. I don't do ARC, but this one was spectacular. I mean, it couldn't be missed, right? Right? This one. Oh my God, that was a massive breakout, right? Now, Ethereum is pushing against this blue and black double resistance. I told you to buy it once it broke back into the black, and finally that green resistance, once the green resistance broke at 2, and that was like 300 or 400 pips, like 25%, right? Yeah, it was 2,600 to 3,000. Okay, so not bad. Now it is the moment of truth for this blue and black double resistance. If it can push beyond 3,100, okay, this is now holding. If it slices through, that's it. So Ethereum is going to run. Solana, again, golden bull flag breakout, back test, this purple. Now it's going to run to 20, again, 230. And Monero not moving much. Maybe it wants to back test. AVAX, after breaking out of the golden bull flag, this is looking good. And I think 2 days ago, I gave you a good signal for altcoins. Even like XRP, green bull flag is not holding. The golden bull flag was broken. This is not holding. This is now we have to remove. That is good. That is good for long-term holders. And ultimately, I think it is going to get to that blue top band, which is at $5, right? Doubling from here. Aave is breaking that golden resistance, or it's trying to break it, which I've been saying for some time. That blue support held. Zcash, of course, is dead. It's not really moving towards $60. ACH, after breaking the blue, I mean, bouncing off the golden support, blue and black. The black bull flags breakout was really very, very positive. And now ACH is running. Doji, after the break of the purple, it's going to get to the green top band. That has been my target. And ADA, after breaking the blue, bouncing off the green, this is spectacular rally. And you see, I told you, if you're buying ADA here, your stop loss would be the purple bottom band. Yeah, the purple bottom band. And this is like an asymmetric trading. Like if you have bought at the breakout, which was at 59.60 cents, your stop would be 50 cents, let's say 45 cents. Okay, that's 25%. It's not small in the grand scheme, but you're not really betting the house on it, really. Now it is already up from 60 cents to 75 cents, and there is more if it can break the golden. So especially once it covers your stop, you close half of the position and let the rest run. Phantom has to get to 50 cents. FET, obviously, golden bull flag broken, but it needs to get, I mean, it's not as strong as the others. Jasmine, of course, the red, the blue, the purple, the black, everything was broken. That's what the videos are for. I think 2 days ago, and also even yesterday, I gave you good signals, and all speculative, but okay, algo, right? I told you to buy algo. If you haven't bought it, I don't know why you're trading. I mean, this is a perfect bull flag, and it is broken. Audio, green top band needs to break. Arrow, oh, smash through. I thought the purple bottom band is going to get tested, but it actually couldn't wait that long. Chain link, oh, nice. The golden resistance is now breaking. It bounced off the blue support together with the purple. Golden, purple, as you see, and bounced off the blue. Now the golden resistance is broken. I think we're going to get to 30 from here. Mana, blue bull flag, downtrend is broken. Again, I told you yesterday to buy Mana. BNB, black bull flags breakout was good. Chile's black downtrend breakout was good. Again, green support on Chile's perfect bounce and the black bull flags. And we need to get to the blue top band and then break out. CKB has to break the blue resistance. It's getting there. I think once it breaks, you have to buy it. Coty looking good after the bounce off the red, but there is no, I mean, it has to really push all the way to the red from here. And yeah, this looks also not too bad, really. Dash off the red support, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's out of the purple. This is going to go. I think it is going to go to the green top band at least, which is at 40 plus. We're at 22. And now Polkadot is making a move as well after disappointing me by breaking the red bottom band. But you can see the purple top band is about to be broken. Gala out of the black, and it is running 8% up today. And EOS, red downtrend broken. This is also a runner, so you got to buy it, okay? And GRT, after the green bull flags breakout, like this is good, looking good. And Hedera, I told you to buy Hedera. I don't know why you're not buying. Hedera and Algo and Stella were the best bull flags. The purple bull flag, massive breakout. And IOTA, green downtrend broken. This is now a runner, golden spot. And CAS is now aiming to break back into the red channel, right? That broken channel. Maybe it will. Litecoin is out. The golden one was broken. The purple one didn't hold. We can remove that. This is looking good. But first of all, it has to get to the green and smash that 150. MDT looking okay. Hopeful. NIA is broken out, has broken out. Look at this. It's broken out now, and that is a buy signal too. And PAL is making move on the black past purple double resistance. Pepe is out of the purple. This is what I told you yesterday. This is a buy signal. And RSR finally broken that purple resistance too. It is one of my favorites. The black uptrend is spectacular, and I think we're going to run to 45 from 8 to 45. Not bad, huh? Sandbox, blue downtrend, red, that blue support, everything is playing out right now. And this is also a buy signal right now. Songbird, dead. And Shiba, I told you to break. If it breaks the red top band after breaking the golden, I 123, I said, right? It's at 135 already. So there is that. I mean, yeah, lines work. I can tell you that. And SKL, massive breakout after the black support. This is spectacular. Really good breakout. I love that kind of breakout. Now it is going to get to the golden resistance and possibly break it. And then it gets to the black top band. So the minimum target is 114. It's at 21. And Sui is getting closer to that green resistance. And Tau has cleared the purple. This is really good. And the golden resistance will be broken, I think. And Theta, golden downtrend, blue downtrend, they should be broken. Golden one is broken. Now the next is the blue one. And Carpathia, okay, recovered back into the red. It's disappointing here, but it is recovering. Of course, it's joining the crowd, but I'm not happy with this kind of action, really. Yeah, I don't like it. TrueCoin, even TrueCoin is running. Wow, truly terrible coin is breaking out. And TRX, of course, looking spectacular as usual. And Unicoin is moving after breaking the purple. Yes, it took months, I know. But finally, it is now going to get to that golden top band and smash it, hopefully. So the golden top band is this. So we got to be, if it breaks that golden top band, then the green top band is at, 21. And Ondo is breaking out too. After breaking the black, right? The blue support didn't even get tested. Now Ondo is breaking out too. And of course, my hero is Stella. I gave you Stella here at 27. It's at 33 already. Not too bad, hey? All right, guys. Take care. Keep in touch. Bye.